hell can you go? Far from the things that you know, far from the sprawl of concrete that keeps crawling its way about 1,000 miles a day. Take one last look behind, commit this to memory and mind. But don't miss this wasteland, this terrible place when you leave. Keep your heart off your sleeve.
As you can see, we've got a bit of leakage here.
Motherland,
And unfortunately, we're
cradle
going to
me.
leakage when we look out here.
Close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't go. Don't you go.
Into the house.
Oh, my 5 and dime queen,
We try to save as much as we can.
tell me, what have you seen?
I'll take my t-shirt
Lost and the avarice, the bottomless, the cavernous
in the
greed.
living room. Sofa's
Is
gone.
that what you see? Oh, motherland, cradle me, close my eyes, lullaby me to sleep. Keep me safe, lie with me, stay beside me, don't go. It's your happiness I want most of all, and for that I'd do anything at all. Oh, mercy me, if you want the best of it, or the most of all. If there's anything I can do at all. Now come on, shotgun bride, what makes me envy your life? Faceless, nameless, innocent, blameless, and free. What's that like to be?